How do I customize the look of my LISTSERV site? Under the Server Administration menu, click on Site Customization. To change the color scheme of your LISTSERV site, click on any of the 24 predefined color swatches. If you need a more precise color, use the color picker or enter the color code directly in the text box. If you want to use a custom logo in the navigation bar, enter the full URL pointing to the location of your logo. Since the web interface can be used on mobile devices with viewports as small as 320 pixels, the custom logo should not be more than 200 pixels wide to leave room for all of the navigation icons. The default height of the navigation bar is 40 pixels, but you can still use a logo that is larger than 40 pixels vertically. Simply increase the height of the navigation bar to match the height of your logo. If your logo is smaller than 200 by 40 pixels, you can use the padding numbers to position the logo in the navigation bar so that it all adds up to 200 by 40. If you prefer to use a background image for the navigation bar instead of a solid color, locate the text box labeled Background Image and enter the full URL pointing to your image. Then either repeat the image or stretch it to 100% to cover the entire space. The font family, size, text color, and link color are also fully customizable. Once you are pleased with the results, click the Save button to store your changes. To start over again, use the Cancel button. Now, your entire LISTSERV site will have the new custom look. You can also make the same customization change on a list-by-list basis. If you prefer to customize a specific list rather than the entire site, click on List Customization under the List Management menu and select the list that you want to customize from the pull-down menu. The customization menus and options are otherwise identical, whether you are customizing a specific list or the entire site. Thank you for watching.